We will be moving into a unit in calculus, review unit, where we're talking a lot about this idea of accumulation, or area under the curve. We'll look at this problem here, the velocity of a remote control car that moves forward and backwards in a hallway from 0 to 30 seconds. There's this equation here. And v is measured in meters per second, and t is measured in seconds. Find the displacement of the car. So the displacement will mean we go forward some, we go backward some, and that is all the area under the curve. Area above the x-axis will be positive, to the right, forward. Everything below the x-axis will be left, or down, or backwards. And so to answer this first question, we're just going to have an integral from 0 to 30 of vt dt, because we're asked for displacement. We want forward and backwards. For part B, we're asked for total distance traveled. And so whether we're going forward or backwards, they add in our distance traveled. And so we're going to go from 0 to 30, and we want the absolute value of that velocity, dt. We're really finding the area under the curve as though this negative portion of the graph moves up, and I now have everywhere positive area. And the last problem, we're asked to find the position of the car at a particular time, 20 seconds. And so who knows where 20 seconds is on our graph? Some work with the graphing calculator shows the velocity is 0 at 18.13 seconds. So that means for the first 18.137 seconds, we go forward. And then for just a little bit of time, we go backwards. And so our displacement will be from 0 to 20 vt dt. But if we're looking for position, then we want to add where we started from. So we'll say we're going to start at 5 meters, and then we're going to add our displacement from 0 to 20. We add our initial position plus our displacement. Our position is 34.706 meters right of the origin. But really, this is broken down into two pieces that your calculator is finding. 29.706 is the portion between 0 and 18 seconds. And then this negative 0.218 is the amount that we travel back to the left. Noticing that this 29.706 is more than the displacement of 29.478 because we went backwards or to the left a little bit.